So am I on the cloud? So how do you know whether you're using cloud computing? Here are the pointers which indicate that you're using the cloud. First one, it's on-demand self-service. Second, there is broad network access. Third, there is resource pooling. Fourth, there is rapid elasticity. And the fifth and the final, there is measured service. So let's try to look into each one of them in detail. So what is on-demand self-service? This simply means that you get served whenever you demand something. For example, when you type, say, www.google.com, the Google site comes on your screen. This is what we mean by on demand. You demand it and it is available. Self-service means that you can do this without depending on others or other programs. So you can do it all by yourself. That is what self-service is. Now the second point, there is broad network access. Now this is a term that indicates ubiquity of the service, which simply means that the service is available from any location. Whether you're in the office or home or holidaying in an international location, the service is available. Network access is a given in most of the places. So to sum up, if you have a network connection, you can access the service from anywhere. Nowadays, internet is available everywhere, so broad network access is made possible through that. Now we come to the third point, which is resource pooling. Now on the server side, the resources are all being used to an optimum level. The resources here indicate hardware and software. Pooling is achieved by something called virtualization, which means that there is an extra layer of software between your OS, application, storage and the hardware, which maximizes the utilization of all resources. Now this layer of software is popularly called as hypervisor. This is a layer which sits between the OS and the hardware. Now we come to the fourth point, which is rapid elasticity. Now this indicates the ability to scale your resources up and down. Consider, for example, the stock markets. They are open normally from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on a typical day. So the time that they require high usage of computing is during this period, and remaining time between 5 p.m. to 9 a.m. is lax time, in which nobody is using those computers. So you can provision resources accordingly. When you don't require resources, you can release them. So only use resources as much as you want when you want it, and release it when it's free. The last point is measured service. Now everything on the cloud is measured. For example, the number of cores you are using in a CPU, the storage amount, and the memory that you have opted for, and the network usage. You are charged according to how much of resources do you use. This is called as pay per use. Thus, all the resources that you have consumed are measured and you have to simply pay for that. Pretty much like your electricity and telephone bills. You pay for whatever you consume. So as many resources on the cloud you consume, you just pay for that. So well, those are the 5 criterions of knowing whether you are on the cloud. So let me repeat the criterions. First, on-demand self-service. Second, broad network access. Third, resource pooling. Fourth, rapid elasticity. And the fifth, measured service. If you satisfy the above 5 criterions, you are on the cloud. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. And may God bless you.